Let's see here. Ew. Ugh! Ow! My nose! Don't read and walk, loser. Aw, man. Just my luck. Where is it? Oh, it broke. Oh no! I gotta go. Phew. Okay, class. Say hello to Miss Kitty. You know what to do. Miss Kitty? I can't draw her with this stump. Draw a cat. Say no more. I can barely hold onto this thing. Hey, Betty? Can I? No. Oh. Now what? Wait! Maybe I can make this work. If I can't find my normal crayons, I'll just have to make them myself. With a little extra flair, of course. Aw, just look at that smirk. Tape time! Now just cut along the lines. And boom! Stick the sides back to back. Some tape ought to do the trick. The round shapes can be tricky, but little cuts solve that problem. And on the inside, my teeny tiny crayon, of course. Add some extra fluff to make it easier to hold. And voila! A big crayon! Oh, I almost forgot the ears. Yay! It's finished! Check it out! Let's take this thing for a test drive. Hello, kitty! It's my favorite kitty. Well, yours is good too, I guess. Oh, thanks. Wow, how magnificent! Yep, I know. This class is such a joke. Like and subscribe for more great videos. Oh, it's sharpening time. Ugh, again? These things never stay sharp. Can I, well, no. Why not? Because it's mine? It's all mine. Oh, wait. Huh? Hey, I need a sharpener. That's easy. You just need one of these. See? Catch. Oh, look how little it is. That's your sharpener? Huh? Don't be jealous. Wait. I have all these nail polishes. Just watch. Things are about to get interesting. Just paint the inside with layers of colors, all the way to the top. Use the glue gun to push through the bottom. Nice! Add some glue here and stick the sharpener inside. Don't forget the lid. And add a glob up top. Look familiar? It's a mini coffee! And a super cute pencil sharpener! Ta-da! It's perfect! Wow! Way to go! So unfair. Oh, did I do that? Oh! Stinks for you! Oh yeah, there it is. Take that, Picasso! Hey! My bad. You ruined my phone case! Look! So buy a new one. Easy for you to say. What a mess. Thanks a lot. Unless… That's a really nice sweater. I need it. Oops. I'll get that. She's probably got a million of these at home. She won't even miss it. This should be enough. Let the crafting begin. This paint blob simply won't do. But some yarn? That's what I call an upgrade. Leave the camera hole open. Then cut out the wooden sticks. Nice! A little trim here, and some puffballs there. And last but not least, a cute little furry friend. Isn't he adorable? What a happy accident! See? There. Whoa. Thanks! Is it just me or is it cold in here? Wait, did you?
Oops.
My sweater? Do you mind? Well, actually, I like it. Phew, that was close. Say cheese!